You can set the publishing, ordering, and access level required to view specific sections and categories in Joomla. In this video, we will reorder categories within a section and limit access to certain categories. The details available for sections are the same as the ones for categories, so we'll just look at category details. Let's go to the Category Manager. This is a list of all the categories that have been entered into the system. Let's click on Vegetables. From here, we can control the publishing, the ordering, and the access level of the category. First, let's unpublish this category. Check No instead of Yes, and then click Apply. If we go to the front end of the website and click Ingredient Types, you'll notice that vegetables no longer displays. Let's go to the back end. And now let's click Yes on Published. And click Apply. And now in the front end, vegetables appears again. Let's go back to the back end. We can also set the ordering of the category within the section list view. Right now, vegetables appears at the top. Let's move it down to the bottom. Click Apply. And then in the front end, vegetables now appears on the bottom when we refresh. Let's go to the back end. Now we're going to set vegetables back first again. And click Apply. And then in the front end, vegetables once again appears on top. Let's go to the back end. We can also set the access level for this category. At the moment, it's set to public, where anyone and everyone can see it. If we want to limit access to this category so that only registered users can see it, we can set the access level to registered. When we click Apply and go to the front end and hit refresh, vegetables no longer appears. We're not logged into the front end right now. If we provided a form where we could log in here, we would be able to see vegetables, but we'll cover that in a later video. Let's go back to the back end. We will now set the access level back to public and click Apply. Now in the front end, vegetables appears again when we refresh. Let's take one more look at the back end. There's a feature here of selecting an image to go with your category. I'll show you a better way of doing this in the next video. For the moment, just click Save. We're now back at the Category Manager. You'll notice that all the details that we set on the individual page are available in this list. We can set the publishing. We can set the ordering. And we can also set the access level. Sections and categories can be published and unpublished, just like articles. You can reorder your categories within a section to control where they appear in section list views. Finally, you can limit access to sections and categories to be only viewable to registered users.